Hi, my name is Erin, and I'm an exercise science major. I knew I wanted to be a doctor pretty much my entire life, but I didn't know what type of doctor I wanted to be. I kind of was jumping around. I thought about emergency medicine because, it seems cool and exciting. And I thought about neurology because things like Parkinson's run in my family, so I'm really intrigued by it. I thought about orthopedic medicine. I've jumped a lot. But being here, I realized how much I love working with kids because there's such a difference that can be made in the life of a child who is sick. I honestly love literally everything about the exercise science major. Professors are so caring. I was scheduling my classes for exercise science the first time, and I sat in my advisor's office for about 3 hours, and she helped me figure it all out. Spent 3 hours of her time doing this with me. Just really showed me that these professors care a lot about me and my well-being. I've had a ton of opportunities in the exercise science major that I don't think I would have had at other schools or in other majors. When I went into my internship, I was kind of afraid, coming from a smaller school, that my education wouldn't necessarily measure up to the education that people are getting elsewhere. And I walked into my internship knowing more than they ever expected me to. Because we get so much hands-on experience here in our labs and out in the community and all of that. It makes me feel really good that I go to a school that has people not just here, but spread out all over the country who are successful in our field. Not only can it just be a reassurance that people who have had my same education are doing these great things, it also is an opportunity for me to reach out to these people and ask for help or ask for a connection or whatever they can give me. I feel like God has definitely led me into and through my AU journey, and looking back, can definitely see every place in which He worked throughout this journey.